In this video, I will show you how to design this creative morph transitions on PowerPoint. Let's start by adding cloudy sky image. Cover whole slide. Then add PNG images for clouds. Copy the clouds images multi-times and adjust them like this. Zoom out. Then add plain PNG image. Adjust the size. Put it at left side of slide like this. Add you text under the plane. Increase font size, then change the color. Duplicate the slide. Adjust the clouds like this. Move the plane to the right side of slide. And increase size of it. Move you text to the center of slide and increase the font size. Bring clouds to the front. On second slide, select Morph Transitions. Start the fun now!